7 Filipino scientists and medical experts abroad joins FIS fight against COVID-19. Filipino scientists and medical practitioners, who were formerly trained and based abroad, are now in the country helping in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. The Balik scientists are either working in different hospitals with other frontliners, advising the Department of Health (DOST) on COVID-19 matters and the Interagency Task Force (IATF), which is at the center of policy recommendations on the coronavirus, or working with the Department of Science and Technology (DOST) on projects concerning the pandemic. The scientists and medical practitioners are offering their expertise under the Balik Scientist Program of the DOST, in close collaboration with the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development (PCHRD). The Balik Scientist Program was enacted into law in 2017, although it is being implemented for many years already by the DOST. It encourages Filipino scientists or scientists of Filipino descent to return to the Philippines to share their expertise to strengthen the scientific and technical human resources of the academe, the public and private institutions, including the industry, to accelerate the flow of new and strategically important technologies that are vital to national development. As of June 30, 2019, 526 Balik scientists returned to the Philippines to share their expertise. Here are 7 Balik scientists who are among those responding to the country's need for health experts during the coronavirus crisis. Dr. Edsel Maurice T. Salvana, a member of the technical advisory group that advises the DOST and the IATF. He is a multi-awarded and internationally recognized scientist, physician, and HIV/AIDS advocate. He is a director at the University of the Philippines UP Manila, an associate professor at the UP Philippine General Hospital UP PGH, an adjunct faculty for global health at the University of Pittsburgh. Dr. Joseph Adrian L. Buensalito, he is an expert in infectious diseases and a graduate of the De La Salle University Health Sciences campus. After his fellowship from the Wayne State University Detroit Medical Center in Michigan, U.S., Buensalito conducted clinical research on the mechanisms of action of antibacterials, antibiotic resistance, hepatitis, HIV, and infections of the spine, among others. He is currently an infectious diseases and internal medicine consultant at the Asian Hospital and Medical Center, Manila Doctors Hospital, and had conducted his research studies at UP PGH. Dr. Jonel P. Saludes, he is a professor of chemistry and associate vice president for research at the University of San Agustin, is now assisting in assessing the capacities of the Western Visayas Medical Centers (WVMC) facilities and technicians for compliance and accreditation by the DOST. Saludes is trained on various fields like magnetic resonance spectroscopy and mass spectrometry, chromatography, and chemical biology, to name a few, from the University of California Davis and University of Colorado Boulder. Dr. Doralyn S. Dalasay, she is a 2019 Outstanding Professional of the Year awardee in the field of pharmacy from the Philippine Regulatory Commission, is also assisting in assessing the capacities of WVMC for compliance and accreditation by the DOST. Dalasay returned to the Philippines as the DOST Balik scientist in June 2015 to establish a research program on natural products drug discovery at the Center for Chemical Biology and Biotechnology in University of San Agustin. She holds 2 U.S. patents on the use of a marine natural product for fungal infections and cancer. Dr. Raymond Francis R. Sarmiento, he leads the data warehouse team of feasibility analysis of syndromic surveillance using spatio-temporal epidemiological modeler (FASSSTER), a project of the DOST PCHRD to fight COVID-19. FASSSTER has been used for creating predictive models and visualizing possible scenarios of outbreaks of dengue, typhoid fever and measles at specified time periods. Currently, Sarmiento works as the director of the National Telehealth Center of UP National Institutes of Health UP NIH. As a Balik scientist, he specializes in clinical and public health informatics and health data science, among others. Dr. Reynaldo L. Garcia, he is an expert in biomedical research, consulting and biotechnology enterprise, now leads the national databasing of laboratories with polymerase chain reaction to assist DOST in testing. Garcia returned to the Philippines in 2010 as a Balik scientist and was appointed as a full professor at the National Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, UP Diliman, and concurrently as UP System Director of the Technology Transfer and Business Development Office. He currently heads the multi-awarded Disease Molecular Biology and Epigenetics Laboratory. Dr. Harvey Joy C. Livanog. He performs projections for DOST on the health workforce requirements for the Philippines to address COVID-19 adequately. Livanog is the coordinator of the Training Center for Health Research Ethics and Good Clinical Practice at the UP Manila NIH. He returned as a medium-term Balik scientist after completing his PhD in epidemiology at the Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute (Swiss TPH) and is currently being hosted by the DOST Health Human Resource Development Bureau. They're here to share their expertise and be at the front lines of the country's battle against the coronavirus pandemic. The PCHRD said that as the fight to stop the spread of deadly coronavirus continues, it is expected that more and more medical practitioners, scientists, and researchers will render their services in different capacities and share their expertise to protect the lives of the Filipinos.